Welcome back to Key Talk Media. This is your host, Key Talk. Check it out, man. All right. I want to give a shout out to Notification Gang, Key Talk Gang, even though they're really the same thing, for rocking with me every single video. If you listen to my voice right now, go ahead and like the video, hit the notification bell so you get a notification every single time I drop a video. Anyways, so an update on the Young Thug case. The judge inside a Young Thug case right now is being petty. Well, at least a lot of people online think he's been petty because of what he did. So pretty much one of the jurors, I guess she said that she didn't know that she had to appear at court, and she travels a lot for work, and of course she's going to put her work over the court, which now she may not do that. She pretty much traveled outside of the country, went to another country on a day that she was supposed to appear at court, and I guess, I guess they probably had some stuff, they had assembly stuff that they had to do. Anyways, the juror did not appear when she was supposed to appear, so she appeared today. You already know that what the judge did to her was punished her. He could have sent her to jail. He decided not to send her to jail, you know what I'm talking about, which is good. It's cool, you know what I'm talking about. She got out of going to jail, but what he did make her do, he said he pretty much gave Shorty some homework, you know what I'm talking about. She got to write a 30-page paper in APA format, which is like some college-style format. He's going to do a plagiarism check on her for the 30-page paper. Like in school where they want to make sure if you write a paper that you ain't steal it from nowhere, so they run and do plagiarism. So she's gonna get her paper ran through plagiarism and doing all this stuff, 30 pages, and she's got like a week or two to write it all. You already know. Shorty done got involved inside the jury thinking she about to be a judge on the jury, and done ended up, talking about joining school again pretty much.
What I think I'm going to do is, in order for you to satisfy your contempt, I'm going to commute the 20 days and require you to write a 30-page paper on the importance of jury service. Here's the criteria. You'll have to do APA style. You're going to have to use at least 10 primary sources, 10 secondary sources. You'll talk in a minimum, and I'll write this in the order.
Oh, okay.
You'll have an order. You'll have it before you leave here today. You're going to write at a minimum the history of jury service, who could not serve on a jury, because that's very important. Because years ago, people that look like us couldn't serve on juries. It was prohibited. I want you to talk about jury service in Georgia and discrimination at a minimum. Those four things, okay? And you can talk about anything else you want in that regard. I am going to give you a date 3 weeks hence that paper needs to be submitted to me electronically. And we're going to run it through a plagiarism checker. You got to write it yourself. And then you're going to come back and talk to me about it. I think that would be fair under the circumstances, because this is that important. I have to account for all of you who summoned, and I'm still looking for folks that didn't appear. So
Hold up. So the judge pretty much said that some of the other jurors have done the same thing, or maybe not exactly what she's done, but he hasn't been able to get a hold to them, so they're pretty much on the run for jury duty, and little did they know when they come back, they will be introduced to a 30-page paper, I'm talking about APA style, 10 sources primary, 10 secondary sources, I'm talking about, and they're going to get plagiarism checked for what they have to do as well. So Young Thug's trial has officially turned into a college course. You already know. Now, I'm saying the judge been petty just as a joke, but, in all actuality, he could have sent her to jail. He could have gave her a fine. There's all other things. He's got all the power in the world right now. He's the judge, so there's all type of things he could have done, but he's choosing not to do that. Of course, her being in jail for that, she would have missed actual work time and probably got fired from a job. So, of course, it's funny to say that somebody's got a 30-page paper to do, but in all actuality, he cut her a lot of slack. Anyways, let me know something. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this entire ordeal. I'm out.